Okay, picture this. You're driving home, totally relaxed, singing along to the radio, and then suddenly, boom, flashing red lights in your rearview mirror. Your heart rate instantly spikes, right? The officer walks up and asks for your license, registration, and of course, proof of insurance. Well, welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to make sure you are so fully prepared as a nationwide policyholder that you literally never have to panic in a moment like that ever again.
Or how about this scenario? Imagine you're standing at the DMV counter. You've been waiting in line for, an hour? And the clerk asks for your coverage verification. If you don't have that card ready to go, you are suddenly in a highly vulnerable, deeply stressful situation. Because let's be honest, it's exactly when you need this document the most that it magically seems to disappear, sending you digging frantically through a messy glove compartment.
And the fallout from not having that simple piece of paper, or even a digital file, is incredibly real. According to the insurance experts at Jerry, the consequences of missing your proof of insurance are immediate, and they can be pretty costly. If you get pulled over and just forgot your card, you're likely looking at a fix-it ticket. That means you've got to prove your coverage within 30 days, or face the music. In other scenarios, you could face some steep fines, get completely denied when trying to register your car at the DMV, or even lose out on financing a new car at the dealership. And worst of all, if you're actually in a crash, not having your info ready makes a highly stressful exchange with another driver exponentially worse.
All right, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today's Explainer. We're looking at 1. The proof of insurance problem. 2. Nationwide coverage and benefits. 3. Getting your ID card. 4. State exceptions and COIs. 5. Troubleshooting and support. And finally, 6. Crucial scenarios and FAQs.
Section 1. The proof of insurance problem. So what is this thing, really? Proof of insurance is just a physical or digital document showing you actually meet your state's coverage requirements to drive legally. It proves to law enforcement, the DMV, dealerships, and other drivers that you are in fact protected. Honestly, think of this card as your armor. It's your ultimate shield in routine traffic stops, required safety inspections, or the aftermath of a crash. It simply proves your policy is active and hands over the necessary contact info for your carrier.
Section 2. Nationwide coverage and benefits.
Now, Nationwide is a seriously strong choice for so many drivers because it offers premium options that you can actually tailor to your life. When you hand over that ID card, it represents some heavy-duty protection. For instance, accident forgiveness. This ensures your rates won't increase after your first at-fault accident, which is huge. Then there's roadside assistance, which they offer in basic and plus levels, and that is an absolute lifesaver if you ever need fuel delivery, a jump start, or a lockout service. Plus, if the worst happens and your car is undrivable due to a covered loss, their loss of use coverage helps pay for a rental car so your daily life doesn't just grind to a total halt. Section 3. Getting your ID card.
Okay, the days of tearing your car apart looking for a crinkled piece of paper, totally over. You can skip the glove box search entirely now. Nationwide offers really easy 24/7 access to your ID cards, either online or right through the Nationwide mobile app. But hey, a quick pro tip before we walk through the steps. When you go to register your account for the very first time, make sure you use the primary policyholder's information exactly as it appears on your most recent statement. That's going to guarantee a super smooth login.
Let's walk through the mobile app process first, because let's be real, this is the most convenient method for pretty much everyone. Step 1. You download the Nationwide mobile app for iPhone or Android and log in. Step 2. You just click ID cards right there on the home screen and select your auto policy. And step 3, and please, this is absolutely crucial, press the bookmark icon next to the card. Doing this saves the ID card to your phone for offline use. That means you won't even need to log in or have a cell signal to view it if you get pulled over on some rural highway in the middle of nowhere. Oh, and iPhone users, you can also add it directly to your Apple Wallet.
Now, if you're someone who prefers having a physical paper backup in your vehicle, which, by the way, is always a smart move, using the online portal is incredibly easy. First, just log into the Nationwide website and navigate over to the ID Cards and Documents tab on your dashboard. Second, locate your vehicle under the Auto Policy Details. And finally, click View/Print ID Card. The system will instantly generate a state-compliant PDF. You can just print that out at home and slide it right into your glove box.
Moving on to Section 4. State exceptions and COIs.
Now, what's really interesting here is that while most states gladly accept digital ID cards on your phone as legally valid proof of insurance, there are a couple of major exceptions. If your policy is registered in New York or Delaware, you actually cannot download a PDF or use the app to generate your official card. No way around it. The law in those states requires security-compliant physical cards.
So, to get yours, you must visit or contact a local independent nationwide agency. We're talking places like the William J. Frere Agency in New York or the Michael D. Franco's Agency in Delaware. They have to initiate a manual generation of the document, which is then physically mailed to you. And because snail mail takes a few days, you really need to request this well before any DMV visit or vehicle inspection. For the business owners watching today, your proof of insurance actually looks a little different. It's known as a certificate of insurance, or a COI. Simply put, this is a document that verifies your specific commercial liability coverage to your potential clients. It lists out your policy effective dates, your types of coverage, and your limits. But it is absolutely vital to remember that a COI does not amend your coverage, and it definitely does not serve as a substitute for a properly orchestrated written contract with a client.
Retrieving that commercial COI is just as streamlined as the personal auto portal, though. You'll log into the Nationwide Business Insurance Member Resources. From there, scroll down to the module labeled View Policies and Package, or PAK for short. Find the specific commercial policy you're looking for and click either View/Print Policy Documents or View/Print COI and Documents. Your customized PDF certificate will be generated instantly and waiting for you right under the Featured Documents pane.
Section 5. Troubleshooting and Support. You are definitely going to want to keep these numbers handy. Nationwide has specific support divisions to get you unstuck depending on what you need. If you just forgot your password or you're having technical issues registering for the app, you want online web support at 1-877-304-1065. Now, if you need to verify your identity and have an auto ID card mailed manually, you'll call Personal Auto Service at 1-877-669-6877. And if you're a business owner urgently needing a COI, the commercial sales line at 1-888-490-1549 is your best bet. Knowing exactly who to call just saves you from bouncing endlessly between departments.
While we're on the topic of accounts and support, I really must deliver a critical security warning here. Nationwide will never, ever urgently demand payment under the threat of immediate cancellation via some random unprompted text. Nor will they require you to click a suspicious link to verify your account. Guys, phishing scams are everywhere right now. If you get a suspicious message regarding your insurance status, do not click it. Document it and report it immediately to protectitnationwide.com or just call their fraud helpline at 1-800-474-7633. You've got to protect your data just as fiercely as you protect your car.
Section 6. Crucial Scenarios and FAQs. All right, let's wrap this up with your major takeaways from today's explainer. First, remember that your ID card just proves you have coverage. If you actually want to see your full limits and deductibles, you need to look at your policy's declarations page. Second, while most states are totally fine with digital cards, it really is on you to verify your local laws, especially if you're someone who travels across state lines frequently. Third, if you are just sick and tired of mail clutter, log into your account, go to My Profile, then Preferences, and just switch to paperless billing and documents. And finally, the ultimate pro tip, practice redundancy. Keep a bookmarked digital copy on your phone so it requires absolutely zero login during a high-stress traffic stop, and keep a physical printed copy in your glove box for when your phone battery inevitably dies on you.
Before we go, I do need to share a very important disclaimer regarding all the details we've discussed today. Information provided is subject to change. Please consult Nationwide directly or check the latest terms and conditions for the most accurate and personalized advice. Your specific policy details and state laws are unique to you, so as always, verify with your agent.
So, I leave you with this final, vital question. Is your digital wallet updated and ready for the road right now? If the answer is no, please don't wait for those flashing red lights in the rearview mirror to find out. Take 3 minutes today, go download the Nationwide app, bookmark your ID card, and hit the road feeling totally empowered and protected. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, stay safe out there.